Okay, so my video isn't on Moodle, but I did want to show that I did make my Moodle account. So here it is. Voila! But so a PowerPoint that I might load onto Moodle would be a review from a class, something that they learned. This is something that they can follow through if they get stuck on their homework with any questions, and just a small review for them to make sure that they understand the concept. So what I've been teaching in all of my PowerPoints in IRED is Punnett squares. So I'll go ahead and teach the lesson. So how we fill out a Punnett square is we have our two pairs, one for mom, and we'll put that at the top. And then we have a pair from dad, and we'll put that on the side. So let's go back and remember that when we have two capital A's, it's homozygous dominant. And when we have two lowercase a's, it's homozygous recessive. Because remember, we use lowercase levels for recessive and uppercase letters for dominant. Then remember, when we have a dominant and a recessive, it's a heterozygous pair because they're different. Remember, homo means same, and that's a clue to remember when you have the same letters. So back to the Punnett square, we can see that both parents are heterozygous because they have different letters in their pairs. So they have one dominant and one recessive. How to fill out a Punnett square? We go to square one, and we'll take one from the top. So we'll have a big A, and then we'll take one from the side, another big A. Then when we come to square two, same thing. Take it from the top, small a, take it from the side, big A. Square three, repeat it. So from the top, we have a big A, and from the side, a small a. And then same thing in the last square. Take from the top, small a, take from the side, small a. So when we read this, we can see that we have one dominant homozygous pair, one homozygous recessive pair, and we have two heterozygous pairs. Notice how it doesn't really matter which order this is in, but just know that this is heterozygous pair, like this one. So what the Punnett square shows us is the probability of the offspring from mom and dad of having this certain trait that was given in the example. So whichever example that you get, you take the mom's pair and the dad's pair, and then you can fill out the Punnett square, and from there you can figure out the probability of what trait the offspring will show.